Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed the textbook beats bit A, D, and E. In today's session, children, we will discuss the remaining bits of lesson 7. So, all of you open your textbooks, children. Here. Today, we are going to discuss spelling as well as grammar fun. Here, spelling bit F, children. Bit F, fill in the blanks with EE, IE, EI or EA. Okay, you can use any of these letters and complete the word. Okay, so choose the correct letters EE, IE, EI, EA. So here the first one is UN, DER, N dash dash TH. So here the letters we have to write is EA, that is underneath. UNDERNEATH, underneath. Second word, children. MISCH dash dash F. MISCHIE, F, that is mischief. Third one, children. DR dash dash D FULLY, that is dreadful. Write EA. DREAD, dread. FULLY, fully. Dreadfully. Fourth one. S dash dash VE, that is sieve. SIEVE, sieve. Fifth one. TH dash dash F. THIEF, the word is thief. THIEF, thief. Sixth one. KN dash dash. So the answer is KNEE, knee. Seventh one. REC dash dash VE. REC dash dash VE, that is receive. RECEIVE, receive. Eighth one. W dash dash GHT. So the answer is its weight. WEIGHT, weight. Next, ninth one. WH dash dash LBARROW, that is wheelbarrow. WHEEL, wheel, BARROW, wheelbarrow. Tenth one. QU dash dash T. So here the word is quite. QUIET, quite. 11th one. SP dash dash K. So the word is speak. SPEAK, speak. Last 12th one. T dash dash RS. So the answer is tears. TEARS, tears. So now once we'll read all the words, children. First one, underneath. UNDERNEATH, underneath. Second one, mischief. MISCHIEF, mischief. And the third word is dreadfully. DREADFULLY, dreadfully. Fourth one, sieve. SIEVE, sieve. Fifth one, thief. THIEF, thief. Sixth one, knee. KNEE, knee. Seventh one, receive. RECEIVE, receive. Eighth one, weight. WEIGHT, weight. Ninth one, wheelbarrow. WHEELBARROW, wheelbarrow. 10th one, quiet. QUIET, quiet. 11th one, speak. S-P-E-A-K, speak. And last 12th one is tears, T-E-A-R-S, tears. Next, grammar fun, children. In grammar fun, today we are going to learn about degrees of adjectives. So, read these sentences. Mr. McGregor ran fast. The cat ran faster. Peter ran the fastest. So, here we are going to learn about the degree of adjectives, that is positive, comparative and superlative. If you talk about only one thing or one person, it comes under the positive degree. If we compare two things or two persons or two animals, then it comes under the comparative degree. And last, superlative degree is comparison of one thing with a group of things. So, if we see the example, in the first sentence we are talking about only one person, that is Mr. McGregor. So, here we are using the word fast. In the second sentence, comparative degree, we are comparing two animals. So, here the cat ran faster. The word faster is used. So, it's a comparative degree. If we see the third one, here we are comparing three. That is Peter, we are comparing Peter with cat and McGregor. So, this comes under the superlative degree. So, the word fastest is used. So, here fast is the positive degree, faster is the comparative degree, fastest is the superlative degree. When we talk about one person, we use positive degree. When we compare two persons or two things or two animals, we'll use the comparative degree. When we compare one person with a group of persons, that is more than two, then we use the superlative degree. Now here big G, children, complete this table. So here the first one is sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Positive, comparative, superlative. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Second one, cold, dash, dash. So, cold is a positive degree. You have to write the comparative degree as well as the superlative degree. So, here the comparative degree of cold is colder, cold, colder, and superlative degree is coldest. So, cold, colder, coldest. Third one, strong, dash, strongest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Fourth one, the comparative degree is given, that is bigger. You have to write the positive degree and superlative degree. So that is big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Last fifth one, thin, dash, thinnest. So positive and superlative is given. You have to write the comparative. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Now let's read all the degree of adjectives, children. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Cold, colder, coldest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Big, bigger, biggest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Okay. Now next, bit H, children. Choose the correct words within the bracket. So here in the bracket, the degree of adjectives are given. You have to choose the correct word and circle it. So first question is, Sakshi is a dash girl. Tall, taller, tallest. Sakshi is a, we are talking about only Sakshi. So one person means you should use the positive degree. So here the correct answer is tall. Sakshi is a tall girl. Second one, drawing an elephant is dash than drawing a tiger. Drawing an elephant is dash than a drawing a tiger. Here the options are easy, easier, easiest. So here we are comparing two, that is elephant and tiger. So we should use the comparative degree. So correct answer is easier. Drawing an elephant is easier than drawing a tiger. Third one, Mount Everest is the dash mountain on the earth. Mount Everest is the dash mountain on the earth. Here the options are high, higher, highest. So we are comparing Mount Everest with a group of mountains. So here we have to use the superlative degree. So the correct answer is highest. Mount Everest is the highest mountain on earth. Fourth one, the Pacific Ocean is dash than the Atlantic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is dash than the Atlantic Ocean. And here the options are deep, deeper, deepest. So here we are talking about the Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. So we are talking about two. So it's a comparative degree. So the correct answer is deeper. And the answer is the Pacific Ocean is deeper than the Atlantic Ocean. Last fifth one, dolphins are among the dash animals in the world. Dolphins are among the dash animals in the world. Here the options are smart, smarter, smartest. So we are comparing dolphins with a group of animals. So it's a superlative degree and the correct answer is smartest. Dolphins are among the smartest animals in the world. Now let's read the sentences, children. First one, Sakshi is a tall girl. Drawing an elephant is easier than drawing a tiger. Mount Everest is the highest mountain on earth. The Pacific Ocean is deeper than the Atlantic Ocean. Last fifth one, dolphins are among the smartest animals in the world. Okay, children. Now with this, we have completed all the bits of lesson 7. Now coming to today's year homework, children. Learn and write all the bits of lesson 7 in your textbook. Learn and write lesson 7 all bits in your textbook. Okay, children. Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.